Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. Welcome to Workshop Wednesday. Today I'm doing a pre-recorded video because I'm still not feeling well, but I wanted to have a project for you. And this is something that I am going to be putting on my Thanksgiving table as a little takeaway gift for my guests. So all it is a little pouch that holds some Christmas blend coffee. So these are the Starbucks Via Instant Coffees Christmas Blend 2023. I love their Christmas blend every year. I wait for it to come out. But if you're a coffee drinker, you might want to try it. If you're not, you could probably put some of those pouches for the like lemonade or the different ones for your water. So this is a super simple project. So let's go ahead and get started. And please forgive me with the raspiness in my voice and everything. Like I said, I'm just not feeling well. So we're going to start out with wild wheat. And it's going to be 3 1/4 by 9 3/4. 9 3/4. And we are going to score the long side at 1 and 5 1/2. So this is going to be your top or front panel, and this is going to be the bottom. But we're going to stamp those. Let's go ahead and cut the card stock for the belly band. So this is actually the Gone Fishing or Let's Go Fishing Designer Series paper. I was trying to find a 12 by 12 piece of paper with the wild wheat. That way I didn't have to cut or put 2 6 by 6s together. So this is going to be 1 1/2. 1 1/2. Or actually, you know what? I ended up going 2. I started at 1 1/2 and then I remembered I switched it to 2. So 2 by 7 1/4. And then we're going to need a piece of DSP 7/8, so just before the 1, 7/8 by 3 1/8. Yeah, so I don't know what's going on with me. Could be the change of the weather. I don't know. Allergies, you know, being new to New Mexico. So what we're going to do is this front, we're going to stamp it with this leaf. And I don't even know if I told you, we're using the Autumn Leaves bundle. We're going to use the Autumn Leaves bundle. We're going to use this stamp, and then we're going to, and this one, and we're going to use some dies. I've already pulled the dies out that we're going to use. And we're also going to use the Stylish Shape dies, and it's the banner one that goes here that I already have pulled out as well. So on this, we're just going to stamp some leaves. That was not a very good leaf. My ink pads are, something's going on with them. And I don't know if it's the location. These are looking pretty bad here, my stamps. Well, that one's good, but that's okay because our, I'm going to try and redo this one. Our belly band's going to cover most of it. I just wanted to put something in the background there. I don't know. I don't know if I'm having issues with my, location of my stamps. So we're just going to put this staple right here and kind of towards the bottom because we want our coffees to fit in. So let me get 3 And in case you were wondering, there's 12 packets in here. So just pop these in right like that. Now, if you want, you can put some seal behind it to kind of hold them down. But I think this tucking them in and then the belly band is gonna help. So where did I do with my belly band? I just cut it. Is this it? I'm like not all there. And have you guys shopped the seasonal sale? I did yesterday, and it looks like I need to get some more items that I didn't think I needed. I should have checked my stock. Here I'm telling everybody to check their stock of supplies. But I have to place another order. And the biggest thing that I ordered that was on sale was the envelopes. I go through a lot of envelopes with my classes. So there's our belly band. So then now all we got to do is we're going to stamp the big leaf in Moody Mauve. And I think I might stamp off first on this one. And then my things, I don't know, is it me? Ooh, that's all bad. Must be me. The way that I'm stamping. But you know what? There's two sides to every piece of paper. And we are going to stamp again. And I'm using the pad. You can tell I didn't stamp off, but you'll see the difference from stamping off first. What I mean by I didn't stamp off, I didn't stamp that very well. So let me get the die cutting machine. And we are going to die cut our big leaf. I guess I could have cut this paper down, so then we could have cut the other things. Yeah, the seasonal sale's only for 3 days. So you need to get what you need now before it's gone. And then I'm going to cut some of these leaves in the garden green, or not garden green, mossy meadow, this one. And then the other ones we're going to cut in wild wheat. I'm going to cut 2 of each. I only have this one 2 dies, so we're going to have to run the other one through again. There was something else I was going to tell you about the seasonal sale. I can't remember. But just time to stock up. My things are not popping out. And one more of those. And then I need our banner. But I like to stamp the banner first. And that's where we're going to cover up that staple. Okay. And I will have the project sheet for this for my email subscribers. So we're going to put this one here. We're going to layer these ones up. These did not come out. Trying to think what I was going to tell you about the seasonal sale. Well, you know right now, if you spend $50, you'll get to choose a pack of Stampin' Blends from me. And just till this Friday, if you spend, well, any amount of money, any purchase, you're going to get a free embellishment from me. And then as always, 35% off. I mean, with a 35% purchase, you're going to earn my Sweet Stampin' Friends tutorial. So if you spend $50, you're going to get the embellishment, the Sweet Stampin' Friends tutorial, and a pack of Stampin' Blends, and that's all before tax and shipping. So we're going to put this one on with dimensionals, and as you could see, I just layered these two. I glued them and layered them, And we are going to add this one, and we're gluing these, just layering them on. We're going to layer this one right there. And we're going to glue this other one right over here. And then we need our little piece of paper that we cut earlier. This is the 7/8 by 3 1/8. So we're going to cover that up, that staple up, just like so. I got glue on my hands. Ooh, and it moved. Okay. We are going to stamp our sentiment. Where's my wild wheat? And I need my white cardstock. And we're just going to stamp I'm thankful, because I'm thankful for all my guests who will be coming for Thanksgiving. And like I said, you can put whatever you like to put in here. Christmas is coming, so everybody's going to be busy, and they're going to need their little pick-me-up so they could take that coffee to go with them. That's what's nice, I guess, about the Instant. So we'll just die cut this. As you can see, it's going to move, so we'll tape it and cut it. I use these stylish shape dies so much for everything. Okay, that's the last of the die cutting. So we can get that out of the way. We're gonna put this right here. So just a couple of dimensionals. Are you guys all staying in town for Thanksgiving? You going away? We are staying in town. Just add that right there. And now my linen thread, it's right here, and we're going to tie a double bow. I like to tie double bows. So just fold your ribbon in half or twine, whatever you're using. Where am I going? This way. Kind of try and straighten this out a little bit. Tie your bow. And I guess that's pretty good. Turn these down, snip and snip. And get a mini glue dot. And we will add that right to the center of our leaf, like so. And that's our project. See how quick and easy that was? Super quick, super easy. So you can see this one I didn't stamp off. This one I stamped off. I don't know which one you like better. Ugh, I'm kind of undecided. I thought I would like this one, but I might like this one better. It stands out. But anyway, there's our project. I hope you enjoy it. And let me know if you're going to make them. And if you do, post them on my page so we can see what you came up with. You guys all have a great day, and I will see you next Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. Take care. Bye.